this is a cinnamon challenge. I'm Gabby.
Ella. Yeah, I'm Laura. We're going to see who lasts the longest.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
It's all over me.
I should have put my glasses on. Oh, it went in my eyes.
It's not the first time you said that. Hello, Jasper. Gabs.
In my eyes.
Why did you make me do that?
It's all over Gabs.
Oh, mate.
No, water dries out. This is the most fun I've had in a while.
Fucking grim.
Your face is grim.
Why did I do that?
Jasper looks like he's enjoying himself.
Cinnamon.
Why the fuck did I do that? That is grim.
Oh, shit.
I love the longest.
And Gabby's the winner.
Where, Gabby?